There are two kinds of men in this world: the ones women enjoy for the moment, and the ones that women remember forever. The first type is common, easy to meet, easy to replace, easy to forget. But the second type, he is rare. He stands differently. He moves differently. He lives differently. He does not chase. He does not beg. He doesn't negotiate his value. He is the man she knows she may never find again. This video is about becoming that man, not through tricks, not through manipulation, but stoic presence and masculine identity. Part 1. Stop trying to impress her. When you try to impress a woman, you automatically tell her, "Your approval means more than my self-respect." And once she feels that, she cannot respect you. Women are naturally drawn to men who are already enough without them. Think of those men over whom women obsess. They don't overshare. They don't try to convince anyone of their worth. They don't try to compete. They just are. Your value isn't in showing her how much effort you can give. Your worth is in the ease with which you carry yourself. You are not here to perform. You are here to exist as yourself and let her observe. Part 2. Have a purpose bigger than her. Masculinity is direction. It is trajectory. It's motion towards something other than pleasure. A woman is not supposed to be your purpose. She is to be your companion as you walk your purpose. When a woman sees you building a future, self-development, training your discipline, facing challenges without excuses, she realizes that you are a man with a world inside him. Losing you doesn't just mean losing attention. It means losing access to your growth, identity, and mission. That is when she invests. That is when she prioritizes you. That is when she fears losing you, because you are not a moment. You are a movement. Part 3. Speak less, feel more. Most men talk too much because they are anxious. Anxious to fill silence. Anxious to be understood. Anxious to be accepted. Silence is where a man's power lives. A quiet, calm man is mysterious, and mystery is universal attraction. How to speak like a high-value man. Stop and think before answering this question. And that self-knowing is magnetic. Use slow, steady eye contact. Answer directly without explanations. Let the silence do half the talking. You know who talks the most? Those who feel the least secure. You know who speaks slow and simple? People who know themselves inside out. Part 4. Give but never overgive. Women do not fall for men who give too much. They fall for men who give balance, value, presence, without losing themselves. When you overgive, she gets used to receiving without earning. She subconsciously disrespects your boundaries. She feels you have nothing else going on in your life. But when you give what is earned, matched, and reciprocated, she invests. She values. She values. Your warmth should be felt. Your care should be visible. But your life needs to be yours. You don't give her the world. You're inviting her into the world you've created. Part 5. The power to walk away. A man's final and greatest strength. Not out of anger, not out of ego, but out of self-respect. If she disrespects your time, your standards, your identity, you do not debate. You are not convincing. You simply step back. Because once a woman knows you are willing to lose her rather than lose yourself, she understands you are irreplaceable. And the world remembers the men who remember themselves. Stoic message for you. A Stoic doesn't chase after love. He becomes love. He does not seek attention. He draws attention. He does not beg to be chosen. He chooses himself over and over. That is the man she cannot replace. That is the man you are becoming, one decision at a time. Call to action. If you felt something shift inside you while watching this, if you're ready to build the kind of man that's remembered, respected, and wanted, then stay here. This is not an entertainment channel where men learn to think differently, move differently, live differently. So if you're on that journey, hit subscribe and join the men who choose self-mastery over approval. Welcome to StoicAlgo. Your evolution begins now.